Well, and now we'll have the railway stations in Darjeeling, and there's a train. Powered by coal. And away it goes. Unfortunately, it doesn't go anywhere useful to me. And there's more trains. Let's get a closer look. If we don't get killed by cars. One of the things that's interesting about this city is pretty much everywhere has to haul water up to it. Yeah. We got some antique trains here. It's also the toy train place. I guess over there is where I'm going to buy a ticket, maybe. Or at least find out where the hell the railroad goes. But, let's see if we can get across it. This is the toy train track. These are my feet, so it's pretty narrow gauge. You can go joyriding on it. It goes really slow. I think it'd be cool just to see it leave the thing, but riding really slow, shit, I can do that on my own. So, don't know if I'll get in on that, but I'm interested in finding the ticket counter. Yeah, it looks like the train's a lot bigger than the track. Yeah. I thought it'd be like people sitting in a line type thing as opposed to 3 or 4 seats across. Yucky water. This is the third class, just called, you know, see that's where a hobo disintegrated. So anyway, that's a little snapshot of Darjeeling. Whenever I can get there and then get this stuff uploaded, you guys see it.